There go the lights. It's inglorious Technicolor.
Wait, you throw us right in. We know nothing about the story or the characters.
Don't you like to dream? At least a little?
When you feel you've gone to hell in a handbasket.
When I first went to prison, I thought my life was over.
And the world in which you dwell's no paradise.
It was just beginning. I can't be here.
Why don't we go to the movies?
One of them I'll never forget.
Or later, you're certain to meet.
Kiss of the Spider Woman starred the great La Luna. No matter how hard Hollywood tried to make her seem all-American,
Cheers.
she never stopped being Latin.
I'm sorry to break the news. Nobody sings in real life.
Well, maybe they should.
The only reason I'm still alive is because I have information they want.
You can scream,
You were in danger the minute you met me.
you can hide, but you cannot escape.
Please, take me away.
I do miracles. I do miracles.
How much more of this can you endure?
There is love in my touch.
There's so much that's beautiful. Would you like to see it?
You saw the warden this morning? Are you an informer?